Okay.
I don't think I've seen one like this.
I hadn't either.
Sit go.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to back up now before I hit the thing that you pay.
Yeah.
Epic fail driving.
Okay.
I bet that'd be the first time somebody's actually hit one.
No, I bet it's not.
Whoa, I don't know. I'm about to anyway.
What's your problem tonight?
I can't get close enough. Okay, looks like we got the ultimate.
Welcome to our car wash. Select your wash or enter your code now.
I'm gonna have to get the door a little bit here because I can't reach it.
Guess I should have drove.
Okay, so what is this? Is this sit go?
I'm thinking it is, TJ. I'm not sure.
For your selection.
Yeah, I think it is. We'll heal off of Rocky River Road and I-485.
We'll check before we leave.
Yeah, I think I saw a sign coming in saying this was sit go.
I can't see what your daddy's doing, so we'll just show the car wash. And we're doing it at night. Why are we doing it at night? Because we forgot to get one earlier in the day, didn't we?
Yeah. But I know Jacob, the elevator channel.
Oh look, it's got a stoplight green.
Okay, we may enter the wash. Did you get that?
Well,
The wash is now ready.
okay. I pretty much heard him. I couldn't really get it because you were standing in the way, but that's all right.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, I know Jacob, the elevator channel, has filmed some car washes at night before.
Yeah. Are you trying to wash yours off?
Yeah. Is it gonna tell me when you stop?
I don't think so. Oh, okay.
Yep.
Yep,
It is.
it did. I can't read it, but it did.
Yeah.
It did.
Yeah.
Okay, it's moving now,
Okay.
so we're good to go.
Are you like on a wheel or something?
Why?
How are we moving? Or is the thing moving?
Oh, the thing's moving behind.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's on my side too.
Yeah. I
Okay.
don't know what that one is. That's a different type of wash.
I don't see a name on it.
Uh-uh.
Up there it is. But I can't read it.
It says, I can't read it either.
Well, maybe some of our car wash enthusiasts can tell us.
Yeah.
Yep. This is the nighttime wash. We may have to come back sometime during the day and get a daytime wash of this one.
Yeah.
Hey, Ma.
Hey. You doing good?
Yeah, I'm doing good. This wash seems like it's doing a good job so far, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Did you get the works?
Yeah.
Okay. Can't tell if it's doing anything or not. Oh, there it comes.
Here comes something.
I think that's colors. It's just hard to tell.
Excuse me, I don't see any colors.
Okay, that might be colors then. Usually it gives you colors.
It tells you what it's doing over there, but
It's hard to read.
I can't read through the soap.
Okay, now we're gonna get the high pressure wash.
That's neat with the
Oh, yeah, they're.
swag. Pretty good wash rate, oh.
It
Huh?
is.
That's a pretty good wash rate, oh.
Yeah.
Get those little things going up and down. The little washer thing jacks.
Yeah, I think it is.
It says Future Car Wash Concepts.
Huh, okay.
What it says on the thing up there.
Okay. Oh yeah, look at there. Neat.
Now we got us a rinse.
Yeah.
Yeah, the jets come out of those things at the
Okay.
top.
Yeah.
Okay, here's colors.
Yeah.
Actually, it looks like it's just one color. It's pink.
Not much of it either. Actually, it looks like a raspberry color, purplish.
Yeah, it is purple.
Yeah.
That might be their version of lava.
Could be.
Now you can read it a little bit better since it's rinsed your window.
Yeah. Rinsing with fresh water. Okay.
I don't want them to use dirty water. Try to wet it is fresh. And it's making another pass.
Yep. Yeah, this does seem like a pretty good car wash for just $8, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I've ever seen one like this one before.
Mm-mm.
We'll definitely have to come back.
It's applying weather shield now.
Okay. We'll definitely have to try to come back during the day.
Yeah.
Yep.
I actually see lights in here up on the ceiling, but they're not on.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's why we're kind of in the dark. It's not often you get a car wash in the dark.
No, not usually.
Yeah, usually the car wash stays turn the lights on at night.
Yeah. But I see lights up on the ceiling, they're just off.
Yeah, I wonder why they're off.
I don't know. Okay, this is a Revolution. It
Okay.
says Revolution on the side.
That's it.
Revolution Future Car Wash Concept.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't think I've seen one like this.
I hadn't either.
Nope.
Just exit slowly.
Yep. Okay.
That was actually a pretty good car wash.
Yep.
It was
What?
actually pretty fun, yeah.
Okay, now let's see where we're at. Yep, we're at a Sitco,
Yep.
TJ.
Yeah,
Can't really
I thought
see
I
it.
saw the,
Good.
I thought I saw the sign on the way in, so.
Yep.
Yeah. It's the Sitco at the Rocky
Yeah.
River Road
Okay.
and near 485.
Yeah, well, I already said that. So.
Oh,
did
yep,
you?
you did.
Okay.
All right, that it?
Yep,
Yep.
that's it.
All right.